Chapter 10. Getting Along with Your Coworkers. Section 1. Small Talk. Useful Sentences. 1. Fancy meeting you here.
What brings you here?
2. What are you chatting about?
Is it about me?
3. Tell me all the latest gossip.
Don't believe all the gossip that you hear.
4. Why the long face?
Is anything bothering you?
5. Her flattery really sickens me.
The flattery made her expand.
6. Ellen is always chewing gum.
If it's not time for a snack, I will drink tea or chew gum.
7. That book was a turn-off.
I really love reading Wuthering Heights.
8. Hey, did you see the new Tom Hanks movie?
No, but I saw a trailer for it.
9. I want to go see the new Spider-Man movie. I heard it was fantastic.
Wow, that movie was awesome.
That movie kicked ass.
10. This movie has been ruling the box office for weeks.
That movie is a box office hit.
That film created a sensation.
11. Are there any interesting programs on TV?
Yes, there is a sitcom, The Big Bang Theory.
12. Did you hear the new rumor about Johnny Depp?
No, tell me.
13. I heard Ronald and Kate were dating.
No way. We have to find out for sure.
14. I don't want to be this heavy anymore. I'll try and lose weight.
I feel like I've been gaining weight recently.
I want to try and lose a few pounds.
I'm going on a diet.
Useful conversations. 1. Receive help from your coworker. Hi, Steve. How are you doing with the expense report?
It is coming along pretty well. I'm just about done.
That was pretty quick. I'm still working on mine.
Would you like some help after I'm done?
Actually, that would be great. There's one part that I forgot how to do.
Okay, I will see you later in your office.
2. About the weekend plan. Hi, Sam. How are you doing today?
I am doing well, thank you. How about you?
Glad to hear it. I'm doing good as well, thank you. Do you have any plans this weekend?
Not much was planned, really, aside from catching up on some sleep.
Oh, really? Well, I am having a barbecue this Saturday with some friends, and you are more than welcome to join us.
The weather sure is nice, so it probably is for the best to spend some time outdoors. I appreciate the invite. I think I remember where you live, so I won't need directions. What time should I arrive?
Anytime between 6 and 7 p.m., and it will be going on until about 11.
Sounds great. I will see you then.
Useful paragraph. The prizes of life are at the end of each journey, not near the beginning, and it is not given to you to know how many steps are necessary in order to reach your goal. Failure you may still encounter at the 1,000th step, yet success hides behind the next bend in the road. Never will you know how close it lies unless you turn the corner. Section 2. Having lunch with your coworkers. Useful sentences. 1. Let's do lunch today.
Yeah, let me just get ready.
2. Where shall we have lunch?
What shall we have for lunch?
Where do you want to eat?
3. Let's go somewhere nice. I'm tired of fast food.
I don't feel like eating fast food.
4.
What are your specials today?
Are there any specials going on?
Do you have any specials?
5. What's today's special?
What's on the menu today?
6. What do you have to drink here?
We serve Coke here.
7. Pizza sounds good, but I've been eating it a lot lately. How about a steak?
All right, sounds good to me.
8. I'd like to order the chicken salad as an appetizer.
I'm really in the mood for some fish.
9. I'd like a steak, but could get this cooked medium well?
I'd like to order the pasta.
10. I think I'll just get the cheeseburger.
11. I'm not picky.
Don't be so fussy about your food.
Don't be such a picky eater.
Don't be picky about food.
12. This is pretty good, but it's a little spicy for me.
This is great, but it could use some more salt.
That was an amazing meal.
13. She's a vegetarian.
14. I can eat an ox.
I have a wolf in the stomach.
I'm very hungry. I can eat anything.
15. You eat like a horse.
I'm stuffed.
I'm full. That was really good. Useful conversations. 1. About lunch. Hey Joel, what do you have for lunch today?
Leftover spaghetti. How about you?
Ooh, sounds good. I have a few sandwiches and some soup.
That sounds good too.
Want to trade?
No, thanks. Spaghetti is my favorite.
I don't blame you. That sure does look tasty.
It's my wife's top secret recipe. Even I don't know everything in it.
2. Eat their lunch and chat.
The weather is pretty bad today, isn't it? Yeah, it sure is. I heard there might be a thunderstorm tonight. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Thank you for the warning. I will be sure to bring an umbrella home tonight just in case it starts raining on my way home. Good plan. I will bring mine with me too. Are you still planning on going to the movies to see the new Spider-Man? I probably will. I heard that it got great reviews, so I think it's worth to see in theaters. My wife is out of town on a business trip this weekend, so she asked me to wait until next weekend to see it with her. Oh, okay. Yeah, girls can be pretty fussy about those kind of things, hey? Yes, they sure can. But I don't mind waiting. It's nice to go on dates sometimes instead of always only eating at home. Okay, I will try my best not to spoil the movie for you in the next week. Thank you. I'd appreciate that. Hope you have fun this weekend.
Useful paragraph.
Enthusiasm, the love for whatever it is I am doing at the moment, works in marvelous ways I need not even attempt to understand, but I do know that it will give additional vitality to my muscles and my mind. Always will I bathe my days in the sea of enthusiasm.
Section 3. Learning from your coworkers. Useful sentences. 1. Will you show me how to use this software?
Would you mind telling me how to order things online?
2. What do you usually put on your microblog?
3. Could you be more specific?
Of course. You need to focus more on how to make the design more attractive.
4. I came up with a good idea.
5. Do you know anyone who could help me out with HTML? I need it for my blog layout. 6. Let me give you a piece of advice.
Can I offer you some advice?
7. Could I suggest something to you?
Can I suggest something?
What kind of suggestion? 8.
Why couldn't you go for it?
You're right. I should. 9.
You should at least try. It's not like it would hurt anything.
Just try. It couldn't hurt.
Why not try again?
10. You should finish what you start.
It always works out. Don't think too much.
A fall into a pit, a gain in your wit.
11. There you go.
I guess you're right.
12. I'll get back to you if I have some questions.
Useful conversations. 1. A new logo of the company.
Hi, Susie. Did you hear about our company getting a new logo?
Yes, I read that in the last company newsletter.
It will mean a lot of work for us to update all of the company forms and documents.
Do you know when the deadline is for us to have that completed?
We have 2 weeks before the new logo goes live.
That isn't a lot of time for us to work on it, especially since we have so much on our plates daily anyways.
Our boss suggested that we stay after work an extra hour every day until it's complete, and that we can collect overtime.
Okay, that sounds much better. Thank you for letting me know. 2. Help a coworker to operate the PPT.
Hi, Selena. Can you please come over here?
Sure. What do you need?
I would like some help with this PowerPoint presentation.
Okay. What are you having trouble with?
I need to increase the speed of the slides transitioning, but I can't find the proper section to do that.
That part is a little tricky to find, but I remember where it is. Take a look at the second toolbar here, and it is the 4th option on the drop-down window.
Ooh, that's right. I remember learning that before. It was just hiding on me.
Glad that worked out. Was there anything else you wanted help with?
Would you be able to wait and double-check that this works before leaving?
Not a problem. Okay, let's see if it works. Press play now.
Okay, here it goes. And it was a success. Thanks again for your help.
Useful paragraph. Life won't always turn out the way you want, but instead of letting these things get you down, push on. Accept disappointment and learn to persevere, to pursue your dreams despite pitfalls. Learn to turn negatives into positives, and you'll do much better in life. Section 4. Giving compliments. Useful sentences. 1. I like your new hairstyle.
I like the way you make your hair.
Your hairstyle reveals a lot about your personality and style.
2. I adore your bracelet. It's very classy.
What a cute necklace.
3. You look fantastic in this dress.
I love your jacket.
4. This style is all the rage at the moment.
This style is very popular this year.
5. That color matches your eyes perfectly.
Orange is definitely your color.
That color suits you very well.
6. You look pretty sharp today.
I think you are so stunning.
You look absolutely gorgeous.
7. You have a lovely complexion.
8. You are quite a beauty.
You are such a dish.
You really are a vision.
9. You certainly speak French well.
You sure can speak English well.
10.
You do have a flair for languages.
11. Honestly, I really admire your courage.
You're flattering me.
12. I'm overjoyed.
I'm really happy.
I'm really glad.
I'm glad about it.
13. That's cool. It makes me happy.
That makes me happy.
That cheers me up.
14. Nothing would please me more.
Nothing could be nicer.
I couldn't be happier.
15. I'm glad to see you so happy.
I'm happy for you.
That's great. Useful conversations. 1. The new sweater is very fashionable. Hi, Chris. Is that a new sweater?
Yes, it is. I purchased it this weekend.
The blue and white colors go really well together.
I liked the combination too. I also got the same style in green and black as well.
It's always nice to see fashionable clothing at work. It's a nice change from the normal suits.
Thanks, Jenny.
2. You type so fast. Hi, Peter. How are you doing today?
Pretty good. Thank you. How about yourself?
Oh, I'm fine, thanks. Just typing up this report for the boss.
You sure are typing fast. Much faster than I can type.
Thank you. It took a lot of practice, and I actually took a few typing classes as well.
Really? That sounds like something that I should look into. I actually only use my index and middle fingers to type, so I'm pretty sure that's why it takes so much longer for me.
Yes, that is probably why. The courses are offered every month, so next week you can register for one if you'd like.
Thanks for the tip. I will be sure to look into that.
Useful paragraph.
In order to be truly happy, you must live along with and you have to stand for something larger than yourself. Because life is a reciprocal exchange. To move forward, you have to give back. And to me, that is the greatest lesson of life. To be happy, you have to give something back.
Section 5. Solving contradictions and conflicts. Useful sentences. 1. Does it bother you?
Why are you always picking on me?
2. You're to blame.
You shouldn't blame him. It wasn't his fault.
3. Stop beating around the bush. Just to the point.
4. I had a terrible quarrel with one of my coworkers yesterday.
They had a quarrel about that report.
5. He always comes into conflict with his boss.
6. Her attitude really pissed me off.
7. I know you're angry, but don't get aggressive.
I can see that you're angry.
8. How can we resolve this apparent contradiction?
Let's find a way to resolve this contradiction.
I didn't think it would be a big deal.
9. Don't be so quick-tempered.
You have to calm down right now.
Please calm down a bit.
I'm sorry I got angry.
10. I feel a lot better now that you talked me out of that.
I feel better now that you talked to me.
11. I really cooled off once you talked to me. Useful conversations. 1. I'm kind of frustrated today.
Hey, Amanda, how are you doing today?
I'm actually kind of frustrated.
Oh, really? How come?
I was looking forward to making the signs for our special promotion in our store, but when I went to do them yesterday, they were already done.
I am really sorry. Yesterday, our boss noticed they hadn't been started yet and asked me to do them. I wasn't trying to steal away the job from you.
I promise you can do them next time.
Okay, I understand, and yes, next time that would be great. And I will start them earlier, too. 2. Please put the dishes in the sink. Hey, Bill, there is something I've been meaning to ask you.
Okay, what is it?
It is one of my jobs to do the dishes in the office, but lately the cupboard has been empty. I found out that you have been leaving the dirty dishes in your office and not bringing them to the sink for me to clean. I keep hearing people complain about not having a mug for their morning coffee, and it seems like they think it's my fault. From now on, could you please just put the dishes in the sink like everyone else?
Well, I can't help my hectic schedule. If I am rushing to a meeting, I wouldn't think of doing something as small as that. Why not just buy more dishes so this won't happen?
We don't have extra money in our budget for that, so we can't do that.
Okay, fine. I will try to take care of my dishes.
Thank you very much. Useful paragraph. If you want to be successful, you'll have to be excellent at what you're doing. The better you are at your job, the more you will love it. The combination of love for your job and excellence will no doubt bring about the success that you have been longing for in your life.